How's everyone doing today? CJ Halleck, cjhalleck.com and digitalbag.com. And in this video, we're going to be installing the WordPress theme we're going to be using for building out our website and also cleaning out any of the other themes that we have in. So let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, so we are currently in the dashboard after we've installed WordPress and we've prepped it and gotten rid of the default posts and pages and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and start by going over on the sidebar under Appearance, hover over Appearance, and then click on Themes. This is where you're going to be seeing the themes that are already installed that come by default when you install WordPress. We're not going to be touching any of these. It does say updates are available for all of them, but we're going to end up deleting these here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and click on Add New. And then the search themes, we're going to go ahead and type in GeneratePress. Alright, sorry, I didn't want to cough in your guys' ears. And then once you're here, you'll see the theme here. Just hover over it. You can preview if you want. I'm going to go ahead and click install because everything you're going to see, we can completely customize all of that, so we don't need to worry with anything. So we're going to go ahead and install that and click activate. Once that is finished, the last thing we're going to need to do as far as WordPress themes are involved for right now is to click on every one of these that are not GeneratePress, and once it opens, click on delete and OK. We're going to remove all of these WordPress themes. Okay, now that you have that, you'll have GeneratePress fully stretched out across your screen. That means there are no more themes available. You have removed all of the WordPress themes, and that is all we're doing in this video. We got the theme installed, ready to roll. Join us in the next video as we walk through bulk installing the default, the needed WordPress plugins. I have a little shortcut for you guys on that one. So that being said, hope this has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at CJ Halleck. Shoot me an email, cj@cjhalleck.com, or just shoot me a DM on Instagram, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Be great. Stay boosted and have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.